The #1 product on our list is the Breville Barista Espresso Machine. An advanced espresso machine for pros, the Barista Express is a super automatic espresso machine that makes professional quality drinks at the push of a button, and it has an intuitive user interface. The dual boiler system heats up fast, allowing you to brew a quick shot or long double latte, while the thermoblock heating system maintains pressure for optimum temperature control in every cup. It has a patented dual-wall filter holder and large shower screen that helps produce the finest ground espresso in order to extract the optimum amount of flavor from your coffee. The large 54-ounce water tank is removable and has an ergonomically designed handle for easy refilling and added convenience. This model includes a removable milk container that can be frothed in seconds for perfect milk-based drinks at any time. It is a fully automatic espresso machine that makes barista quality espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos. 6 per-program beverage settings are at the touch of a button for latte macchiato, flat white, espresso shot, cappuccino, americano, and hot water. It comes with 2 thermo jugs for heating up any kind of milk. It features dual heaters, adjustable steam using the pressure system, 16-bar pump, and high-pressure extraction to ensure perfect all-round coffee quality every time. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for watching.